If I had to bet, I wouldn't have did all that. I would've played it just how you wanted to play it. You didn't yet see my worth, so you tried to play me. But I was so in love. But if I had you back, I wanted you.
What's up, YouTube? So for today's video, this is the last day of my sophomore year because I already posted I already uploaded my last week of school. So this is the last day of school, and then I'm going somewhere with my friends after school. So yeah, just get ready with me.
Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico Luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad I started up a league.
Then obviously I'm gonna get dress coded for wearing this. So I'm gonna put this shirt on top of it. And then I'm gonna take it off when I leave. I got these rips in my pants. And I put shorts under it today just in case because security in the cafeteria be bugging. So this top, y'all probably seen this already anyways in my other get ready with me video. And then these pants with rips in them. I'll show you better probably later on today. Let me spray my shirt.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
I'm walking on that ride. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? When it's that way. Try to find if I'm crazy. You know what you yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, just to press my issue. Yeah. Keep it like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Something talk with walking back it up, just can't let go. You just make me special. Whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Last time I tried to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news.
It's gonna shock everybody and they're gonna pass out, right? Exactly. Y'all. All right, y'all, we're done. Okay, you getting something? You were just talking about. Oh, I don't like it. Yep. A drink. Hey, like I was saying. Y'all, we big girls. Hold on, let me feel that. Don't play, y'all. We are not. Hit him with it. Get out my way. Oh, I just. We need help. Y'all, we need help. Boom. What is that? Soda? I don't know. know what to do, guys. Can we focus? We need to go.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Wait, hold on. What are we getting for them?
Looking at the big ones. Then the big ones make sense. Then the little ones.
But then we have to buy cups.
Who will buy cups?
If we go just drink it from the thing. That is not. That is.
Get some red cups. Anyways, y'all. So
But that ain't Sprite. That's
sorry I didn't really vlog today. It was really nothing going on. Most of the people I hang with did not come, so I was with injury. So, but we supposed to be going to the beach, and I got that on.
I'm focused.
And then Adrian got on hers. What was telling me in public? Should I find something?
I feel like everybody's drinking them. Should I just get a Sprite?
Sprite?
Lemonade or strawberry lemon? Like, have you ever tried coffee before? No.
I saw it.
Oh, guys, like it might be good. Okay, but I'm here. Oh.
Oh. You picked up a bottle.
It's big and like. Get some straws.
Y'all, we rolling up in here like big girlies. Yes, mom. Thank you, mom. Like.
Sue.
You like to try new things.
I kind of want to try them.
Y'all, I'm that? Who racking up the bill?
My bill is $3 right now.
Avery, what do you think? I'm thinking I should buy it.
I think we should just, you know. Yeah. Bro?
I thought we were going to cookies.
The price not pricing.
Let's go back over here.
If the price isn't pricing, then
Price, we can talk about it.
yes.
If I get fruits, then I'll leave everything.
When I was on the phone with you, I was right here pacing.
What?
When I was in Publix, and I was right here pacing.
The fruit for Publix? I'm not gonna lie, we buy shit out of it. Really cute. And people hydrated, guys. How cute.
Like the big bowl.
All this junk. Okay, that's crazy. That's mad.
You know, that's why we should have picked up a parfait from the cafeteria.
That's expensive. $5. $5.
Until you get to the cashier and they talk about some 6, 7.
Look at the nice berry one. That's what I'm saying. Berry is $8? No? Yeah, $8.50.
Yo, we gotta go. And we have a Publix. Don't you got a meeting at 3:30?
Yeah, we gotta go, y'all. What time is it?
3:18.
Is it 6:41? She doesn't have to talk to me. I like the cheapest price. So we gotta get this one. Alright, let's go. And I'm gonna buy. We need to go back, guys. We need to go back to that area and get pork. We paid for this stuff. No.
Mariah got baked.
Driving, I'm not like this.
Can't
I
do.
swear buying stuff's really bad. I can tell, Mariah. Because you wanted to buy chips. My mom.
I don't know where my mom gonna get. Big dog. Camera. Sun ain't right. Sun ain't right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So cute. Yep.
Thank you.
You're so cute. The baddest of them all. Thank you. Don't forget your clothes, Mara. You gotta change, remember? So. Oh, okay.
My bow's in the car. I'll just put it on the car.
You gonna put your stuff on in the car?
Huh? The bow?
Oh, the Belia, not whoa. Shine was asking if we had paint, and I was like, yeah, I brought my paint. No, I don't have one. This is actually cute. Hold on.
I'm bald headed. Oh, you bought it for real?
We take our photos, and y'all see this in the thumbnail. I don't want to hear nothing from y'all. Y'all friend groups don't be doing like stuff like us. Y'all could never, would never.
On the last standing, y'all.
Never gave our love.
Never, Vicky. Never gave no Beef online.
Never
gave
get no
Mexicans.
Mexicans. Y'all can never clock us at no campus. That's all I gotta say.
Never get no fights. No physical fights.
Y'all cannot go to our school and clock our tea like that. Y'all can't.
Can't do it.
There's nothing to clock.
Can't send about our friend group.
There's nothing to clock.
So we know how to keep it on the. Yeah.
See, y'all.
We really gotta go for real.
We really do. It's 3:27.
It's the type of girl I'm
Let's
in.
just
My
fuck with
wife.
Take a photo.
Hey.
Where? Yeah. Where? Up here? Yeah, your camera. Gomez.
Who's talking?
I don't know. Talking about some highs. Never get clocked. The argos are so cute. No, I just fed this girl, bro.
McDonald's. McDonald's a 6-piece nugget and a fry.
We'll probably eat again at the place, not gonna lie, but we needed just something to bring our energy because y'all getting a vlog regardless.
I
Sorry
feel
for
like
that.
we went to the beach and then we like paid. It would be like too much.
Y'all kids could never, like, I'm really on this, y'all. Could y'all friends would go all out?
I put my foot down. I put my foot down. I'm just looking over here. That's how to go.
We're waiting on our friend.
We're laughing about beer. They gonna think it's drinking.
We're not, y'all. We're
I'm
just
on
like,
that good cushion alcohol. I got some.
let me put y'all on right. When y'all make friends, right, y'all need to have your friend group and then have friends. Y'all gotta, you like, and you need to know, like, y'all don't gotta be with each other. We don't be with each other all the time, bro.
Y'all
But
will
when we
never
pull
know.
up, it's over with. There's
You
a
will never
difference.
know.
You will never know.
Oh, that's the sad part, Boogie.
You will never know. Y'all think we not cool no more. Meanwhile, we're cool.
You don't have to be around somebody to say you cool with them.
Exactly. Y'all want to be with each other 24/8. We're
Shut
not.
it down.
I think you boys ever do.
You be the baddest girl around.
I don't know what we're on, bro. Like, I don't know what it was.
That good cushion now. You got some down there. Okay, let me stop.
Y'all were doing. Cause I'm thinking about editing.
The phone getting cold and stuff. Oh, she's in real hard. Where's lady at, right? Wait, stop. Yeah, we
You know, we can finally change our thumbnail, our picture again.
talking about some thumbnail. You're YouTube head ass.
Bro, I stay on YouTube, bro. Y'all get at me. I'm almost at 1K. Clock that.
Stop playing with it.
30 away, I think. Yeah.
Stop playing with it.
Y'all could never.
Did she move?
Yeah.
You know, I would have moved, and then y'all be like, "Where's the car?"
Wait, did she move?
Yep.
Wait, I think you're actually right. Everyone walking like me. Wait, did she?
I feel like she playing with us.
No, she was over it.
She play with us? Like, which, like, what? She wouldn't? I would. Oh, it's the same place. We just don't know where.
We're just no, cause it's new park here, bro. They messed up the flow.
For real.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that shit.
Please don't move. I'm making
If I had to bet, I wouldn't have did all that. I would've played it just how you wanted to play it. You didn't see my words, so you tried to play me. But I was so in love. I just got a little bit too complicated. But if I had you back, all I wanna do is you jump, take drugs. All I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, hop, play. All I already know love. You like 10%. You deserve like half of that. I'ma need my money back. I'm riding through your hood, it piss me off again. Don't let them niggas come find me. I've been tripping like.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit, they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. On so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga drive the boat.
Got soft serve because we went to two different ones. One was Italian, the other one did not have vanilla. How do you not have? How you don't have soft serve? You're blocked. For real, for real.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm flowing out.